Here we will see sets in Python. Python set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Every set element is a unique, that is, no duplicates are allowed, and it must be immutable, that is, the elements cannot be changed. However, a set itself is mutable. We can add or remove items from it. Set items are unindexed. Since set items are unindexed, set doesn't support any slicing or indexing operations. Different characteristics of sets are: first is unordered. The items in the set are unordered, unlike list. That is, it will not maintain the order in which the items are inserted. The items will be in different order each time when we access the set object. There will not be any index value assigned to each item in the set. Next is unchangeable. Set items must be immutable. We cannot change the set items, that is, we cannot modify the item's value, but we can add or remove items to the set. A set itself may be modified, but the elements contained in the set must be of an immutable type. Next is unique. There cannot be two items with the same value in the set. There are two ways to create a set in Python. First is using curly brackets. The easiest and straightforward way of creating set is just by enclosing all the data items inside the curly brackets. The individual values are comma separated. And second method is using set constructor. The set object is of the type class set. So we can create a set by calling the constructor of class set. The items we pass while calling are of type iterable. We can pass items to the set constructor inside double rounded brackets. First we will see the example using curly brackets. Here num set is defined and the elements of set are defined in curly brackets with comma separated. And when we print the num, it will give the output in curly brackets. And second method is using set method. Here num set is defined with set constructor and the elements of set are passed as a constructor parameter. And when we print num, it will print the elements of set in curly brackets. Next we see accessing values in a set. The items of the set are unordered and they don't have any index number, that is, it is unindexed. So we cannot access the elements of set using the index, like set with index 0. If we do so, it will not print the 0th index value, instead it will return an error. There are two different ways to read an elements of a set. First using loop and in operator, and second is using iter and next keyword. First we will see using loop and in operator. Here set 1 is defined with elements 4, 6, 12, 11, 3 and 5. To print the set elements we will use for loop. So for x in set 1 we will print x. So the output will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 and 12. Next is accessing using in operator. Here set is defined with elements integer and string, and when we print 4 in set 1 it will give the output true, that is 4 is available in set. When we use print ABC in set 1 it will also give output true, and when we print 1 in set 1 it will give output false since 1 is not available in set. Next is using iter and next keyword. This method uses iter to create an iterator object with the help of next. It will print the first item of the given input set. For example, here set 1 is defined with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when we use next with iter it will print the output 1. Since iter and next will print first elements from the set.